Are you having trouble subscribing to Snapchat Plus? This video is going to be about how you can get the Snapchat Plus subscription on your Android device. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. Now, let's begin on the video. The first thing you need to do is open up your Snapchat. And once you have opened up your Snapchat, all you need to do now is go to your profile section. And once you get to your profile section, you will see this Snapchat Plus. Here are many features that you get with the Snapchat Plus subscription. And the first one is you can skip and wait and start a streak on day one. Unlike on the normal Snapchat, you have to wait for 3 days for your streak to start. You can have custom app icons. You can change the chat wallpapers, custom app themes. You can have number one best friend. You can pin them on your chat. You can rewatch stories. You can post view emojis, Bitmoji background. You can have exclusive background on your Bitmoji. You'll have different AI creative tools. And to notify everyone that you're a Snapchat Plus subscriber, you'll have a exclusive badge. You will have custom story expiry, and you can see if you are in a best friend's orbit. And here are many more features, which also include you can get an extra replay before your snaps are gone. You can also restore your Snapchat streak, and you can have an extended best friend list and many more features. So once you have done that, just tap on next. And the subscription is currently not available in my region, but if it is on your region, you can tap on subscribe, enter your card login details, and then just tap on OK. And after you've entered your billing information, you will be able to subscribe to Snapchat Plus. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.